Hi, this is Ravi from the Nifty BN channel. In this video, we would be discussing two strategies that most of you might not be aware of: long put synthetic straddle and long call synthetic straddle. But before we get started on synthetic strategies, let's first learn about the regular long straddle. A long straddle is a market neutral options trading strategy in which an investor simultaneously purchases both a put option and a call option for the underlying asset, with the same strike price and the same expiration date. The strike prices are usually at the money or as close as possible to an at the money price for the underlying asset. This allows the purchaser to make a profit whether the price of the underlying asset goes up or down. For example, assuming Nifty at 9136.85, the long straddle can be executed as follows. Buy one lot of Nifty 21st May 9100 call at 181.1. Buy one lot of Nifty 21st May 9100 put at 158.6. The long straddle is entered when you are bullish on volatility and expect a large move in the underlying asset, but you are not sure which way the market is headed. The maximum loss, which is the sum of the two premiums, occurs at 9100, which is the at the money strike. The maximum profit potential, though, is unlimited. Let's look at the calculations. Maximum loss at expiry is equal to call premium plus put premium into lot size, which comes to about rupees 25,477.5. Break-even point 1 is equal to strike price minus total premium, which comes to about 8760. Break-even point 2 is equal to strike price plus total premium, which comes to about 9440. Now let's look at the risk profile of the long straddle. It is evident that while the maximum loss at expiry is rupees 25,477.5, the maximum profit potential is unlimited. You would make a profit when Nifty falls below 8760 or rises above 9440. Now to the topic of the video, synthetic straddles. You can initiate long straddles on Nifty synthetically by combining calls or puts with a long or short position in the Nifty futures. A long put synthetic straddle involves buying one lot of Nifty futures and simultaneously buying two lots of at the money puts. An example long put synthetic straddle would be buy one lot of Nifty 28 May futures at 91.25 and buy two lots of Nifty 25 June 9200 put at 4.45. As with a regular straddle, you enter the synthetic straddle too when you are bullish on volatility and expect a large move beyond the break-even points on either side in the underlying asset. This is a net debit trade because you pay for the futures and the two puts. Hence, theta or time decay would work against you. So put options with at least 2 to 3 months to expiry are preferred as they have a much lower time decay compared to short-term options. Wide bid offer spreads are typical for illiquid options, that is, for those options that are 2 to 3 months away from their expiration dates. So you should be more careful while placing the order for the long puts. Place limit orders and not market orders. Let's look at the calculations for the position on synthetic straddles. Maximum loss at expiry is equal to number of lots into lot size into put premium plus futures price minus put strike price, which comes to about rupees 66,675. Break-even point 1 is equal to put strike price minus 2 times put premium plus put strike price minus futures price, which comes to about 83.85. Break-even point 2, future price plus 2 times put premium, which comes to about 10,015. Let's look at the risk graph of Nifty long put synthetic straddle. It is evident that the maximum profit is experienced beyond the break-even points, that is 83, 85 and 10,015, and the maximum profit potential is unlimited. Whereas the maximum loss at expiry is rupees 66,675. But since we wish to stay in the trade for only 2 to 3 weeks, we might not experience this loss. Now some recommendations for entry and exit. Enter the trade 1 to 2 weeks before a high profile event is scheduled to occur. Examples of high profile events are election results, monetary policy, and budget. Exit the trade a day or two after the high profile event, irrespective of the fact that the trade is in profit or loss, as long options lose value quickly as volatility decreases after the high profile events. One thing to remember is not to hold the trade to expiry. Though going into the trade you bought long options with 2 to 3 months to expiry, your intention should be to close the trade in the first month. Just like the put variety against long futures, there is a call variety against short futures. A long call synthetic straddle involves selling one lot of Nifty futures and simultaneously buying two lots of at the money calls. Both the long call and the long put synthetic straddles are market neutral strategies that require enough price movement on either side to be profitable. These strategies can also be initiated on stocks during the earnings season due to the potential volatility that may occur before and after an earnings announcement. Short-term puts and calls can be sold at the break-even points to fund the long options. We would be learning more about how to use these synthetic straddles during the earnings season in a future video. Thank you for watching. Also, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.